So having set the scene of that's kind of where we are right now, and I think I'm seeing a few nods, so I'm thinking that's probably resonating quite well with people. Then thinking about how ready are you for cloud? So there's still, I want to do hybrid, yes I want to consume cloud, but how ready are you? And I think it's safe to say that within our industry, we are very used to starting with technology, and then we probably also end with tech. So all we really do is consider the infrastructure, the application stack, and then we kind of stop there. With cloud, that's not going to be successful. And in fact, if you do that, you're not going to have a successful cloud adoption. Cloud is so much more than a technology upgrade. It requires an entire shift in the mindset that we are used to in order to plan for and adopt. So we're used to thinking product-wise, I want 5 of those. I've got this application, it needs to run on this infrastructure, I need this amount of storage, etc. Done. The world of cloud has flipped that on its head. What you need to be thinking about is, what is the outcome I'm trying to deliver? And then you work back from that, and in fact, the lower you get, the less you care about what's underneath. So 3 key questions to think about when you are about to make that move to cloud is 1, why? And it's not enough to say that everyone else is going to cloud. My competitor is going to cloud. So therefore, you can just put me in a cloud and all my problems will be solved and I'll be up there with my competitors. You need to really think about why. What is it that you are trying to achieve? What do you want to change about your product, your service, your business, your financials, your commercials? What specifically are you looking to achieve from moving to cloud? How? So again, coming back to that point, you can't just consider your tech and your infrastructures. You've got to think about how you're going to move from a people perspective. Do you have the skills? Do you need to up skills? Do you need to change teams? If you're going to move to the cloud, we know that naturally infrastructures and networks come a little bit more combined. So are you going to need to change your operational teams? Processes. Are your processes ready to take advantage of cloud? So you might think as an IT team, this is great. Flexibility in commercials, just pay for what we use. Is your finance team ready for that? If you walk up to them with a budget that's flexible, are they prepared to take that on? It really requires the whole business to get on board. When? This is about pace of change. Not only the pace of change that you need as a business, but the pace of change that you can handle as a business. We all know about digital transformation. That term's been used now for years, and there's a stage over there. But digital transformation, I think, scares quite a lot of people. It sort of speaks to a big bang approach. I need to go from a caterpillar to a butterfly overnight. I need to ditch all my people, my skills. I need to change my business. Some people, some companies are totally ready for that, but some are not. So I think you need to decide your pace of change. Do you want to transform overnight, or do you want to evolve at a slower pace, taking your people with you, maximising your current investments, maybe using a hybrid model?